I would love to tell you a little bit about Sidra Iqbal before I actually introduce her. She is an anchor, a host, a journalist, a producer, infopreneur. She is an internationally acclaimed positive change and activist and a motivational speaker, youth development advocate, dreamer, believer, and an optimist. And I think she has 10 years of experience that actually speaks for her already. She's a communication consultant as well. You can call. She's a woman with many hats. Let's put it that way. And I don't think हम इनसे बेहतर कोई guest ढूंढ सकते थे आज के दिन के लिए. Welcome to the show, Sidra.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much, Rija.
How are you doing?
It was a very generous introduction. I'm most humbled. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. I'm doing wonderful. Thank you for having me on your special Defence Day show.
Defence Day show. So Sidra, before we actually start dedicating the episode to Defence Day, मैं थोड़ा सा आपसे discuss करना चाहूँगी that in these 10 years that you have been, did you just stumble upon this career or was it something that you used to plan बचपन से कि मैं बड़े होके journalist बनूँगी या मैं पाकिस्तान के लिए youth के लिए कुछ करना चाहूँगी?
Well, if you ask me, Richa, मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि I'm meant for the limelight. I wanted to be someone who stands out from the crowd.
Okay.
And I think I was very active as a student, both in my curricular activities as well as my co-curricular, and debates and public speaking happened to find me. I think that sort of pushed me in the limelight, and lo and behold, by the time we were in school, in college, in high school, the independent media in Pakistan was coming in.
Yeah.
So that started my journey because almost everyone in my debating circuit वो किसी ना किसी तरह से television में आ गया.
Yeah.
I think उस वक्त आपके पास opportunities ज़्यादा थी और आपके पास formally लोग media पढ़ के नहीं आए हुए थे.
Okay.
So some people who were working behind the camera, they found their way, जो आपके veteran journalists हैं. लेकिन साथ साथ हम जैसे newbies को बड़ा ज़बरदस्त मौका मिल गया, and that was the beginning of my career.
That was the beginning of your career. How amazing is that? And you know, you have an extensive experience in media and in journalism. But what I love the most about is the fact कि हम अपने show में खास तौर पे आज not only ये discuss करना चाह रहे हैं कि how the Pakistan Army has served us, but we also want to discuss the youth. So one of the main things that I love about your profile is the fact कि आप youth के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा काम करती हैं. So would you like to share your sentiments about what you think about the youth of Pakistan and why it plays such a significant role in how Pakistan is perceived later as well?
See, interestingly, हम हमेशा जैसे कहते हैं कि you are blessed beyond words.
Yeah.
And अगर आप गिनना शुरू करें कि आपको अल्लाह ताला ने क्या क्या नेमतें और गिफ्ट्स दिए हैं, you will never be able to complete that count.
Yeah.
लेकिन साथ साथ हमें लगता है कि जिन नेमतों का हम शुक्र अदा नहीं करते रहता या जिनको हम वैल्यू नहीं करते, we are always at the risk of losing them forever. And our independence and our identity should be in the foremost of that arena.
Yeah.
I mean, when I talk about the same theme in my show, I would like, even at this point in time, we've seen Afghanistan struggle for the last 20 plus years. We're witnessing the Palestinian struggle. फिर साथ साथ आप Ukraine war को देखो. तो हमारे लिए भी we are unfortunately faced with a number of threats and dangers both internally and externally.
Of course.
तो उसके लिए आपका line of defense में of course आपका youth का जो perception है पाकिस्तान के लिए, जो आपकी हुब्बुल वतनी है, बहुत important है. आप पाकिस्तान की 70% आबादी youth पे मुश्तमिल है. Until and unless you value your country, your identity, there will always be crevices, fault lines जो आपका दुश्मन आपके खिलाफ इस्तेमाल कर सकता है.
Of course, absolutely. In fact, I would love to add to that as well, considering that I was an expat in another country for so many years of my life as well. जो इज़्ज़त आपको पाकिस्तान और आपका अपना मुल्क देता है, considering my education is from here, considering my पहचान is from here, that I feel no other country can give you. So, this may be slightly off topic. How do you deal with the youth that wants to leave Pakistan and not serve Pakistan? So how is it that you can kind of motivate them, being a motivational speaker yourself? How do you do that?
But Richa, I feel your question has two parts. I feel that even when you are an overseas Pakistani, you can add tremendous value to serving Pakistan. अगर आप पाकिस्तान से बाहर जाके किसी भी field में specialize कर रहे हैं, whether you're a doctor, an engineer, or you are doing some groundbreaking research, that's also a way to serve Pakistan.
Of course.
So I would not take it away from people who are pursuing great opportunities outside the country. But yes, having said that, it's very alarming that in the last 17 years, I was just looking at the numbers, there are about 10 million people who've left Pakistan.
Exactly.
And you know, the startling fact about that is कि 17 साल में ये सारा अरसा आपकी democratic governments का रहा है. And that is when people have felt most dejected.
Distraught,
जो सबसे बड़ा number आपका, you know, the people when they were leaving Pakistan was 2015. So that to me was a very boggling piece of information. मुझे ये लगता है कि आज जो लोग पाकिस्तान से बाहर जा रहे हैं, they will gain a lot of experience, but they should go with the right reasons. They should always remember कि आप दुनिया में कहीं पे भी चले जाएं, आपकी पहचान और आपका कनेक्शन पाकिस्तान से रहेगा. एक दरख्त कोई देख लेना, आप वो जितना बड़ा, मजबूत और तनावर होता है, जितना फैला हुआ होता है, उसकी जड़ें उतनी ही मजबूत होती हैं. तो अगर आप अपने आप को अप्रूव करके you think you're starting a new life, you've done that. We're all migrants. अगर हम देखें आज से 3 generations पहले, तो our forefathers left what they knew as home and came to Pakistan. तो ये बहुत important है वो understanding, वो perspective ज़हन में रखना.
Of course, absolutely, very well put as well. So you're an empowered woman yourself as well, Sidra. And how is it कि आप अपना, you know, you have your own morning show as well. How is it कि आप every day when you come to the set or when you come to your show, how is it you're empowering women around you as well? You know, I've been following you for a while to say that, you know, before this I wasn't into media at all and I was very inspired, and I should tell people all the time as well, you know, I love the way she speaks, I love the way she thinks.
That's so kind.
So how is it that you are empowering women every day जो आपको सुनती हैं, Pakistani women all over, especially I want to keep it for women as well. How do you do that?
अच्छा रिचा, मैं आपको बताऊं कि when I started my television journey and I really wanted just to be a you know a presenter.
Okay.
मुझे acting में, modeling में interest नहीं था. So जब हम you know anchoring में या presenting में आए, so there used to be these 2 big dabbas. Okay? Either a woman anchor person used to be a current affairs anchor. Which needed to be hardcore and very strong-headed, or you know, आपने बड़े bold सवाल करने हैं. It's a hard talk kind of a conversation. So I would never used to fit the bill. People were like, oh, you're too mild. आप बहुत प्यार से बात करती हैं. आपका सवाल intelligent होता है, लेकिन आप you know डांटें. मैं कहती नहीं, I can't
do that, of course.
अच्छा, दूसरी तरफ जो morning show genre था, they used to imagine कि it's all fun and games.
It's all fun and games.
तो उसमें substance कम रखें, लोग नहीं देखना चाहते. So I think my biggest challenge was to be true to myself. When you talk about empowering women, the journey begins with you.
Of course.
So I wanted to be my most unfiltered, authentic self.
Of course.
मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा cute compliment लगता है रिजा when people see me or meet me off camera. They're like, आप तो असलियत में भी ऐसी बात करती हैं. Yeah, because you know that's an extension.
That's an extension of.
So I think for all the women who are watching this show, you have to stay true to your own essence.
Absolutely.
आपको लोग बहुत धक्का देने के, आप dress a certain way, talk a certain way.
Absolutely.
But do what you feel is
we
right.
were just discussing that actually in the commercial break as well, and I absolutely love that. And you know, she actually empowered me as well when she came to the show, and she's like, why do you worry about it? You know, you have a pretty face and you talk well and it's fine. But I think हम औरतों के लिए, and especially on this day today as well, बहुत ज़रूरी है to accept us for who we are.